Hey everybody, in this new video, let's take a look at how we can start earning money, how we can create music, relaxing music for YouTube. So, it's no secret that if you go into youtube.com, you might see that there's something called the chill out music or relaxing music. So if I go, for example, here into music, explore music, we do have this home section, we have the community section. I have this actually in Spanish, but I don't have to be worrying about that because I only want to focus into a specific genre. So what I'm going to be doing here is to go into home, chill out music, and check out these videos. We have 8 videos and they have 17 million views, 9 million views, 3 million views, millions and millions of views. I'm going to be showing you what we can do in order to create a few videos for relaxing music into YouTube. So there are 2 ways that we can do this, but I think like the most awful way to do this, to actually not doing this, is by going, for example, here into, if you are a newbie, I assume that you might be thinking like, I'm gonna go into YouTube, go into relaxing music, royalty free, and then I just need to choose any video, download this video, convert that into an MP3 and create my own video with that kind of music. But the truth is, if you're trying to find music with royalty free inside YouTube, the chances are that your music is going to be demonetized, all your videos. So you don't want to do that. If you want to look for music, you don't want to mess around with music, I can strongly suggest you guys to just look for another application that it does have a lot of stock media with royalty free. For example, I can suggest you to use Pexels. Pexels is a stock photo royalty free of image and videos. So here you can look for a lot of stuffs. Here, let's say that I want to go for videos. Here into videos, I want to look for something like this in the background. Here I want to look for, let's say, beach or sunset like this. So for example, let's say I'm just going to be choosing the first option because we don't want to focus in here. We just want to use a video for as a loop. We just want to focus into how to create music, right? So I want to download this option. Here, as you can see, we do have the video already created now. Alright, so let's put some music in here. So I'm going to be showing you something, for example, mixkit.co. This one is another free asset for your audio project. So if I go into music, I can go into genre, and here I want to look for something that can be helping me to relax. So maybe mood. I want to look for sad or maybe smooth. Alright, so as you can see, this one is really great. If I go into download, I have the music already downloaded. So the last thing that I just need to do is to edit my stuff. If you don't have any place where you can edit your stuff, actually here into Windows we do have a lot of places where we can edit our stuff. So I can choose this option, for example, and I can go into Clipchamp. Clipchamp is actually totally for free. I can hit into download from the Microsoft Store, and then what I can do is to just drag my videos and my music, and I can start to create a loop. So I can go into signed in if I wanted to, or if you don't want to mess around, I can strongly suggest you to use some other applications, like for example CapCut, because CapCut is totally for free and this is available for almost any device. So if I go into my downloads, I'm going to hit in here. I do have my video and my song, so I want to import this, both of them, and I just need to drag and drop like this. You see how easy it was that? I'm going to hit into volume. I'm going to put this, if this is a relaxing video, you will want to input a really low amount like this. So get into play. And once you finish into that, you want to just use this video as a loop. So I can just copy and paste as much times as I want for even an hour or something like that. So it's really, really simple. But if I want to create my own music, I can strongly suggest you to use the Soundtrap. Now Soundtrap is totally for free. I believe this was created by Spotify, I'm not pretty sure, but this is for making music, a total free music. So if you have a few knowledge of creating music, you can start here totally for free. So I can go into music project and I can choose to browse some loops. So in here I want to look, let's say relax, and here I do have a lot of options, and of course we want to look for some options that are totally for free. So here we have synth unit. If you like something, you can use it. If you don't like those and you want to create your own, well, you're actually good to go. In my case, if I do have like a few minimum knowledge of music, which in my case I think is going to be really helping us a lot with our channel, is to hit into play the synth. So if I choose this option, I hit into keys and I hit into pianos. Let's say I want to choose this option. I can play the piano using my keywords of my own computer. So I'm gonna be choosing the volume like this and I can stop playing, right? So if I think that I can create something like really let's say for example really relaxing, I can go into synths, choose some pads for example, I don't know, maybe I kind of just start to make my own sound and see if I can use this as a video. And then I can use the X button, I can record this, and after that I hit into export as an MP3 audio file. I can, and the rest is exactly the same. I can go back here into my CapCut, into the application that I'm using to edit my stuff, hit into export, and I can go back into YouTube Music and I can upload my music really fast. The other option, if you, let's say you don't know anything about music and you do still want to look for music that can be with a royalty free, is to actually look for some music original from the actual YouTube. So if I go into music and here into my videos, I do have the audio library. So here into the audio library, there is a lot of music that I can use. So I can choose, for example, the genre. I want to filter this by genre. I'm going to choose this option. Or let's say that I want to look for something relaxing. So let's say relax or chill or something like that. So here I can choose a lot of options. I choose the song that I wanted to use. I can download all this and I can start to work here into YouTube. So as you can see, it says you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. So this license type is actually direct and official from YouTube. So if I use this kind of music, there is no way I'm gonna get a hit, or I'm gonna get demonetized or banned from YouTube, because this is actually original from YouTube, and YouTube just told us that we can use these songs. So there you have it, guys. You can use a lot of options that you wanted to. In my case, I think like the best option is to stick around and create your own music. If you don't know how to create music, I can suggest that you use some features. For example, codecause.com can help us to create some pads. If you don't like what you are listening to, you can generate something else, and then you can download this song. You can use these chords and play those in here into your synth. So I just give you a lot of options where you can start making music totally for free, guys. So there's no excuse, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more about this kind of videos. Hopefully you have really great luck here into the YouTube relaxation stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one, guys. See you later.